Good day everyone. I will teach you how to get the standard deviation of the ungrouped data. Standard deviation. Standard deviation is the square root of the average deviation from the mean, or simply the square root of the variance. For ungrouped data, the formulas for finding the standard deviation is S is equals to square root of x minus x bar squared over n minus 1. The following are the monthly incomes of 6 sample families living in Block 18, PBA Village. 28,000 pesos, 33,000 pesos, 35,000 pesos, 39,000 pesos, 40,000 pesos, and 41,000 pesos. In finding the mean, the formula of mean is x bar is equals to summation of x over n. We simply add all the given total incomes, which is 216,000 over the number of the families, which is 6. We now divide the total monthly income to the number of the families, which is 36,000 pesos. And now, we will copy the computed mean in the column. 36,000, 36,000. And now, to get the x minus x bar, we simply subtract the 28,000 to 36,000. The answer will be negative 8,000. And so on and so forth. 3,000. Negative 1,000. 2,000. 4,000. And 5,000. To get the x minus x bar squared, we simply square the x minus x bar, which is 64,000, 9,000, 1,000, 9,000, 16,000, and 25,000. To get the summation of x minus x bar squared, we just total this column. The answer will be summation of x minus x bar squared is equals to 124,000 pesos. Since the data are from a sample, then we are going to use the formula for sample variance to get the standard deviation. The formula for the sample variance will be s squared is equals to summation of x minus x bar squared over n. We simply copy the summation of x minus x bar squared, which is 124,000 over the number of the families, which is 6. Then the answer will be 24,800. To get the standard deviation, we simply square root the answer in the variance. answer will be 157.48 pesos. And this will be our standard deviation. On the average, the monthly income of the families living in Block 18 of PBA Village deviates by 157 pesos and 48 centavos from the mean of 36,000 pesos. Example number 2. The following are the ages of the first 10 female visitors at Anna's birthday. 8 years old, 22 years old, 19 years old, 50 years old, 43 years old, 18 years old, 25 years old, 20 years old, 6 years old, and 15 years old. In finding the mean, we will obtain the formula x bars is equal to summation of x over n. We simply total the ages of the visitors, which is 226, and we divide it by the number of the visitors. Then, we will obtain the answer of 22.6. This is our mean. We will just copy the computed mean on the table. 22.6, 22.6, 22.6, 22.6, 22.6, 22.6, and 22.6. To get the x minus x bar column, we just subtract the value of the x, which is 8, from the value of x bar, which is 22.16. And we will get negative 14.6. And we will do that formula until it reach at the end column. Negative 3.6, 20.4, 2.4, negative 16.6, negative 0.6, 27.4, negative 4.6, negative 2.6, and negative 7.6. To get the x minus x bar squared column, we simply square the answers on the x minus x bar squared column. Negative 14.6 squared is 213.16. Negative 3.6 squared is 12.96. 20.4 squared is 438.48. 2.4 squared is 5.76. Negative 16.6 squared will be 275.76. Negative 0.6 is 0.36. 27.4 is squared is 750.76. Negative 4.6 squared is 21.16. Negative 2.6 squared is 6.76. And negative 7.6 squared is 57.76. To get for the summation of x minus x bar squared, we simply total all the values in the x minus x bar squared column. And the answer will be summation of x minus x bar squared is equals to 1782.72. To get for the variance, the formula for the variance will be s squared is equals to summation of x minus x bar squared over n. We simply copy the summation of x minus x bar squared in the table which is 1782.72, and we will divide it to the number of the visitors, which is 10, and we will get 198.08. To get for the standard deviation, the formula of the standard deviation is S is equals to the square root of summation of x minus x bar squared over n minus 1. We simply copy the value of the variance, which is 198.08, and square root it. And then the answer will be 14.07 or 14. On the average, the age who visited Anna's birthday deviates by 14 from the mean 22.6. Example number 3. The following are the test scores of Aaron in statistics: 94, 82, 85, 87, 88, 86, 83, and 89. In finding the mean, the formula of the mean is x bar is equals to summation of x over n. We simply total all the scores of Aaron, and the total will be 694, and we simply divide it to the number of scores, which is 8, and we will get the mean of 86.75. We will copy this mean on this second table, the x bars table. We will copy 86.75, 86.75, 86.75, 86.75, 86.75, 86.75, 86.75. In finding the x minus x bar values, we simply minus the 94 minus 86.75. We will get 7.25. We will then minus the 82 minus 86.75. Negative 4.75. We will do the process of subtracting until the last row. We will get the x minus x bar squared column. We will just square the values and the x minus x bar column. The answers will be 6.52, 22.56, 3.6, 0.6, 1.56, 0.56, 14.06, and 5.06. To get the summation of x minus x bar squared, we will total all the values on the last table, last column. The answer will be summation of x minus x bar squared equals to 103.48. Then the next step will be the variance. We will just copy the value of the summation of x minus x bar squared, which is 103.48, and we will divide this with the number of the scores, which is 8 equals to, and we will get the answer of 14.78. To get the standard deviation, we will just, the formula is S is equals to summation of x minus x squared squared over n minus 1. We will just copy the value of the variance, which is 14.78, and we will just square root it. The answer will be 3.8444. The interpretation will be, the average test score of Aaron deviates at 4 from the mean of 86.75.